If you are a researcher or a young academic, one of the biggest challenges you will have is the instability and shortage of career opportunities and jobs. These things become very competitive and often force you into decisions and compromises between your personal life and this career progression. Not to mention all the pressure of the long working hours that you'll put in order to realize your research ambition. And for this reason, without having some tool to look after yourself, to manage all of these things, something is going to give. Which is why researchers and academics today face a lot of burnout issues, mental health issues, anxiety, and stress. And the GRID tool can help you to prevent all of it. GRID is a simple, visual, one-page system that can help you take control over your personal life, how you self-care, how you get your research work done, and also how you manage career. And in doing that, GRID is able to reverse stress patterns of high stress to low stress and give people the tools they need to be successful, effective, and happy.